Isip mo ka? Oo, sabi kasi ng mama ko dahil lang sa pagpasok mo kaya. Because it's surely that this depends on whether it happens in a populated region and whether the community has the economic expectations, technological.
Alam niyo ba kung ano ang climate change? Climate change is a natural phenomena and has been occurring since the Earth came into being. It is also change in the average water of a given area or the region. There's two factors that affect the climate change. It is weather and climate.
Alis mo na ako sige, susunod na ako mamaya. Bye-bye.
その種最も価格を忘れ
Hi guys, welcome to vlog. Papatay ko muna yung electric fan.
ではただの文字数数えきれないよ毎日をガスでは高鳴る淡い日々人混みに混じってながら
What are the things that we can do to prevent climate change? Sustainable transport technology, diesel, overhydrates, space and space, reduce plastic. Plastic is made from wood. The process of extracting, refining, and burning all of the plastic or even polyester from gold is surprisingly carbon resistant. It doesn't break down quickly in nature, so a lot of plastic is burned, which contributes to emission. Demand for plastic is rising so quickly. The protein and the ingredients in the plastic account for geothermal power. And last but not the least, ang ginawa natin ngayon, restore nature to absorb more carbon. The nature world is very good at cleaning out our emissions, but we need to look after it. Not embrace the rise of sustainable manufacturing, burn wild increases, not prolong disaster risk is the likelihood of loss of injury or destruction and damage from a disaster in a given period of time. This unfortunately affecting the poorest and the most vulnerable. Why does disaster risk matter? However, in the disaster risk can lead to dangerous levels of inequality, rapid urban development, and environmental degradation, which can undermine a country's potential for social and economic development. However, in reducing disaster risk can reduce potential losses and free up resources from the ground. Alam mo kasi climate and disaster risk
Mula nung makita ko ang pangyayari yon kay Asa Joshua, ako'y lubusang nasaktan. Pero binigay ko na lang ang aking pagmamahal sa kalikasan kasi mas alam kong kailangan natin itong pagtuunan para sa ating magandang kinabukasan.